So guys, today we'll be seeing solutions to the exercise problems that I had given in the previous video. So the first program that we are having is to check whether a given number is even or odd, right? Very simple program. Now see if you're having any number which is even. Let us take a simple number like 6. Okay, this is an even number. 8 is an even number, 14 is an even number, 2 is an even number, 0 is an even number. What else? You can say 56. Now, how do you know that these are even numbers? Their characteristic is that when you divide these even numbers by 2, you get the remainder as 0. So guys, if you do the modulo of 6 with 2, what you get is 0. Similarly, with 8 also, you will get 0 because 3 times 2 is 6, 4 times 2 is 8. Similarly, with 56 also, if you divide 56 with 2, basically you will get 28, right? So the remainder here will also be 0. Similarly, with 14 and with any even number, even if you see a 0, when you divide it by 2, you get the remainder as 0 only. So all the even numbers, now we come to know that when divided by 0, when we do a modulo operation, we get the remainder as 0, right? We will use this characteristic of even numbers to make this program. Now, let us see. So first, I will take a number, say 28, okay? And now I have to use if-else here. So I will just write if now x modulo 2 double equals to 0. If x modulo 2 double equals to 0, then you print that x is an even number, and else print x is an odd number, right? And now we can just customize it. We can take any input, int, input, enter a number to check whether it is right. So first I'm taking x, which will take my input, enter a number to check whether it is even or odd. And then you're giving a if condition to check whether when you do the modulo operation with 2, you get 0 or not. If you get 0, then it will print it is an even number, else it will give you an odd number, right? Simple program. Now we are having program to check. Okay, let us run it. Now if I give a number, say 28, it is 28 is an even number, right? Okay. Now palindrome number. Program to check whether a number is palindrome or not. Now what are palindrome numbers? Numbers which when reversed will give you the same number. Like 121, when you reverse it from the back, you get 121 back again. But if you take a number, say 12, right? And now you reverse it from the back, you get 21. So 21 is not the same as 12, but 121, we are getting the same thing. Similarly, if you take 1331, now if you reverse it, you get it again, 1331. So 1331 is a palindrome number, 121 is a palindrome number. So basically what we are checking is that if the original number, that is 121, this one, is equal to the reversed number, then I say that it is a palindrome number, right? The condition is that if the original number is the same as the number reversed, then you will say it is a palindrome number, right? Now let us just implement it in Python. So first we will take a number, let us say x only, and to check whether it is palindrome or not. Okay. Now you give an if condition, if x equal to, now see, here in the previous example, we were typecasting this string input into an integer. But here, what we can do is we can take the input as a string only, right? Why? I'm telling you why. See, if you write if x equals to x colon minus 1 and x colon minus 1, if you see, okay, wait, just wait, x equal to 121, 123. So if I'm having x, a string with value 1, 2, 3, now if you have to reverse it, you just write colon minus 1, that is string slicing. You can check the video, it's in the I button. So you get the number reversed. Though it is in string, but the number is there, right? And we just have to check whether it is palindrome or not. So why not work with the string data type, right? So I'm taking x as a string and I'm reversing it and checking whether this x is equal to the x reversed, right? And if it is so, then I will print that x is palindrome, okay? And else you can write print x, oh, is not palindrome, right? Just run it. 1, 2, 2, 1. 1, 2, 2, 1 is palindromes. These are very simple programs. See, you just need to understand what the condition is inside your head, right? You need to make the condition that if the number is divisible by 2, if it is giving the remainder as 0, then it is even. Else, it will not be even, right? First, I made up the condition in my head, right? And then I implemented it in Python. Python is just a language to communicate with the computer. But first, you need to make it inside your head that what is my condition, right? Okay, now I'm having another program for you guys. Now you have to build a calculator in Python. Build a calculator in Python. What this calculator will do is that it will ask the user for the numbers, first of all, two numbers. You can take X and Y, two numbers. And then you will also ask the user for the operation she wants to perform. Like if first you ask the numbers like 12, 23, the user gives. Now you ask for the operation whether he wants to add the number, whether he wants to subtract them, multiply them, or divide, right? This is the thing. How you will do this? You will use if-else condition. You have to use it somewhere, right? Okay. So that is all for this video, guys. Subscribe to the channel if you want this amazing content to continue.